All right, this video is to help with 9.1, question number 7, and we're trying to find an explicit formula that matches the sequence, right? So these are the terms n, the positions, and these represent the values a sub n. So there's definitely a pattern, right? We're going up 1 each time, so that's going to eliminate b. A is also not right. This is a recursive where you have a sub 0 and then you use a sub n to get the next term. And then actually you could already figure it out here from 2 for C, it can't be right either because this n and x need to match. So the fact that they don't match means that one is out, giving us only D. And if you want to verify this a little bit more, you could just check like in n is 5. So if we put in a 5 for n, do we get an 8 here? And boom, we do. Similarly, put a 4 in for n, and do we get a 7? Yep. So this is a recursive formula that has just finds the value using n in the calculation. And we can tell it's the right formula by inserting some numbers and seeing that for the right value of n, we get the correct a sub n value. All right, hope that makes sense.